never try to catch. What was that?
Dad has told me to bug you and let you know if you have no choice, you're going to summer school. I just want to know why not. Because I failed the 9th grade and he forced me to go. He told me either you can go or you can be grounded all summer and not do shit. And he meant it. I just want to know. I know you don't like school. I don't like school. I don't even like college when I was going to it, which I want to finish. But just why don't you want to go? Just why don't you want to go? That's all I want to know. Why not? Because the work is easier and it's less. It's not like actual school where you get a shitload of homework and like 50-something fucking books stacked high saying do all that and come back tomorrow. Like, really? Really? You want me to do 50 freaking books worth of homework? I don't think so. Yeah, because my cat's recorded in the head.
I know, that's why I'm recording it and put it on YouTube.
But I do want you to go to summer school, Tessa, because you'll like it. Try to go in the afternoon now. No, Tessa, you will like it. You know why you'll like it? All you do is you sit in class and do maybe 1 or 2 assignments, you read a book, and you write down the answers, and you're done. And you only take homework home maybe once a week. And it's only like 1 assignment. With like maybe 5-10 questions, and you're done. It is chump work. I can pass it blind, and I hate school that bad. Okay, baby girl. But I do want you to go to school, though, because if you do, if you go to summer school, Tessa, and your birthday's coming up soon, right? I should have to say what?
5 months.
Yeah, well, I should have a job by then, and if you go to summer school and you pass it, I'll save up and buy you a PlayStation 3. It's so much better, and you can actually play online.
Joyce Russell, who's dead? I don't know.
What's crack lacking?
I didn't want to see it. Oh, really?
Done? Just sitting there telling my sister she's got to go to summer school, and I'll buy her a PlayStation 3.
Keep driving all you want.
I'm about to be getting another job, and I'm going to save up and buy one. I just got a call on any staff morning, see if they found me that one in Westchester, because I told them I can't work in the Mason area. That's the, thing of this damn hillbilly, man.
Bye-bye.
It's like almost a 2-hour drive out there, and I'm practically gas in
Bye.
You know what I mean? Yeah, but I haven't talked to you in 2 days, and I got a little worried, like,